These nothing headphones are something. First up, let's unbox the white one. A felt carrying case, and inside are white Nothing Headphones 1. Next, you've got the black model. The same black felt carrying case with that signature Nothing dimple, but this time in the black colorway. Let's try them on, starting with the black ones. And now the white ones. Also in the box, quick start guide, USB-C to C cable, and audio cable. Would you buy these unusually shaped headphones? And if so, which color would you get? Let me know down below and follow for more.